Hey man, folks is still hating on these sneakers. I still do not get it. I need you to watch the whole video because we have to get a final verdict on why folks is still hating on this sneaker, this silhouette. I don't understand it. It's probably one of the most classic ones. Something that brought me into the game. So yeah, we gotta chop it up in today's video, man. Let's get right into it. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another, and we are back with some more content. We got some more sneakers to unbox, and this one right here I got for under retail, and I used some GOAT credit that I had from a previous sale, and I pretty much got these for like 150 bucks or something like that. And I was like, man, let me go ahead and take it, bro. I can't pass up on them. I knew I was gonna pass on the release on sneakers and what you call Foot Locker chips and stuff. But like, I got me a pair for way under retail. I don't think I can beat this deal right here. Before we get any further, if you guys are new here, let me know in the comment section. Let us know you're new here to the channel, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel. I'm super interested in knowing who those newbies are, because we've been getting a lot of comments from some folks that I ain't really seen, in the comment section in the past. So if you guys are new here, man, go ahead and let us know in the comment section. Run them likes up, hype the video up, and we ain't gonna do no transition. We just gonna get straight into the kicks, bro. We gonna get straight into the sneakers. And yeah, man, these right here, bro, I don't know what it is about them, and I don't know what kind of love I got for them, bro, but it's like crack. I don't know what else to describe it. It is a bad addiction, and yeah, I just can't get enough, bro. It don't matter how many times I sell them out my collection, how many times I do this with this, it don't matter, bro. It seems like they just keep coming back into this sneaker collection. And again, I did get these from the lovely GOAT app. Shouts out to them. Had to use some GOAT credit, you feel me? And we got them in, bro. And again, folks be hating. I don't know why, bro. Why y'all hating on these classics, bro? I just don't know what it is, bro. But again, let's go ahead and get to the official colorway size tag. Make sure y'all run them likes up if y'all still here. I appreciate y'all. And the official size tag colorway, all that reads Air Foam Posit Pro, University Blue, white and white. And I know y'all probably like, yo, I hate a foam. And that's what we about to get into in today's video. Shouts out to the GOAT app. Y'all already know how I rock. I done bought so much shoes from GOAT, but I had to get them, man. I had to get the University Blue Foam Posit Pros. And bro, hold on, bro. Just look at them. We finally have them in the collection on and in hand. These hit a lot harder. Shout out to my guy Stamper Jones. I seen he dropped a video about these over on Instagram, and I said, bro, I gotta have them. They're coming to the collection, and I got them for a steal price. I think I paid like 150 or 160 or something like that for this sneaker. But it's something about the foam posit that I love, bro. I don't know what it is, bro. And I wear my foams more than any other sneaker in the collection. They're just so reliable, so durable. But with these right here, I'm gonna slow down a little bit, because if you ain't seen the bottoms, bro, they're predominantly white. I know you gotta rock your kicks and stuff, but bro, who wants a dirty outsole? That's my only, I'm gonna put these on ice for a little minute, you feel me? Not wear them too much, but bro, we have to address the elephant in the room, bro. Why don't you love a foam? And I even love, bro. Why y'all hating on a foam? What's the difference between loving something and hating on something? You know what I'm saying? Every shoe don't gotta be a cop. Every shoe ain't gotta be something you add to the collection. But I'm telling you, bro, the comments and the kind of slack these joints get, people literally hate them, bro. Like the first time they hear somebody say something about a foam, they instantly trying to downgrade these joints, and I don't understand. If y'all don't know, bro, I had some of the craziest foam posits in my collection over the last 10 years. I let a lot of them go, so I am down to about, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6 pair of foams back in the collection. You can probably see them a little bit right here. We got the Green Goblin joints, pine greens. We got the, what do you call these? Hold on, let me just grab them all. So we have the Stranger Thing Vecna foam posits here. We got the Pearl guys. Oh, these joints crazy. You know, I had a double back for the Galaxies, and I cannot, I want to say hologram. I forgot what these called, but I could not let these go when I sold my collection I love this pair. I need to retro it so I can wear these a little bit more. And then I have the foam posit pine greens, the green goblins, whatever you call them. We have the Dr. Dooms coming out as well. And I had to add these university blue joints in the collection, man. I'm super excited about it. But again, bro, I don't know what it is about the foam posit. As soon as we get them, I'm telling, like, instantly, bro, they're hitting the sale racks and they're going for like way under retail GOAT StockX and stuff like that. And I don't know what that is about. I really don't. It could be because the retail value was like it was like $250 for these. So I was like, bro, that's kind of crazy. You feel me? Nobody's buying them. I don't know why. But $250 is high for a shoe that's declining in terms of the want for the shoe. You would think they'll do something with the retail price, but they ain't doing it with all the technology, quote unquote, that they are using for the foam posits, let alone the foam posit pros with that huge Nike swoosh on that posit material on the upper, man. But again, I need y'all help in the comment section. Why do y'all hate foam posits? If you are one of those people that hate them, and I know some people that just pass them because you feel like they don't want them, but there's some people that don't have no foams in their collection because they do not like foam posits, and I don't see what's bad about this shoe, bro. And just imagine this, right? These released back when Penny Hardaway was playing, of course. This Penny Hardaway sneaker, and this is a shoe that if I would have seen back in the 90s, I'm like, bro, this is a crazy, ridiculous shoe. This is ahead of its time, during its time. And yeah, man, again, I don't know, bro. I really do not know. And it's gonna be a lot of people that instantly clicked off the video because they don't even want to talk about these foam posits, bro. I don't know what it is, bro. I got something on the bottom of them, like somebody stepped on something. Or it might be like some tape or something. I don't know, man. But again, you guys see I added them to the collection. It was a must for me. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna try to persuade you guys to cop. But if you don't like foam posits, just let me know in the comment section, bro. What's up with you and foams? Where the hate come from? They too expensive? Are they just not your style? Or just like, what is it, bro? I don't know, man. These clean, bro. These clean, man. It's gonna be one of the shoes I walk around the crib to just look at for a while before we get some fits out of these, because these are definitely hitting the toe ASAP, bro. They just, oh man, you just gotta see them in hand, bro. And I know these probably sitting in a lot of locations, primarily back when I was living in Savannah. Seen a bunch of phones like DTLRs, Shoe Palace, but you didn't see them in every single store. So if you got some spots in the area that carry the foam posits, just go check them out, man. Let me know how y'all feel about them. I think these right here are going for like, hold on, let me check, bro. Let me check real quick. These are probably going for under retail. I'm glad I grabbed them when I did, because I paid, again, like way under retail. And I use a little bit of that gold credit. So yeah, bro, I should have waited, bro. I should have waited till now to get them. Or I got them like $100. But now, bro, the pairs are going for no more than $250. And that's for like the huge sizes, the size 12.5 and 14, which, you know, typically in other hype releases are going for like thousands of dollars because it's so hard to find those pairs in those sizes. So yeah, bro, under retail, way under retail already. It's been a steady trend for all the foam posit pros. So I present to Nike, you know what I'm saying, if they are watching. They never watch my videos. They probably are, I don't know. But y'all gotta drop the retail prices, bro, because y'all got people that love the shoe that are instantly gonna buy it paying more, you know what I'm saying, when you could just save or wait a little bit. But that FOMO, bro, that FOMO, it just struck me once I seen the homie Sniper Jones unbox them. I said, I gotta have them. Even though I did get these for under retail, again, it will be nice to get these consistently under like 200 bucks, you know what I'm saying? Under 200, I would not be mad at it at all. But in the comment section, let me know if you snag these, did you pass on them, how you feeling about them. I'm super interested in knowing, man. I love me a pair of foams. I got about 6 in the collection. And yeah, bro, I just love them, man. I don't know what it is. But I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, run them likes up for your boy DaVinci. And I hope we get a lot of interaction in these videos. We don't typically get a lot of interaction with foam posits. I just know how it is. But I want to know where all the hate came from with the Nike foam posits in the comment section. So again, drop some comments down below, man. I love you guys. Appreciate y'all. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.